Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we'll discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply activate your Cloud Shell from here and then wait for Cloud Shell. Then click on this continue and authorize. Okay, once your Cloud Shell activated, simply come back to lab instruction page, click on this task number 1, copy this first code and paste it here and hit enter. Then wait for some time. Okay, once you get this type of interface, then simply come back to lab instruction page, click on this check my progress for task number 1. You will get the green tick here. Now come on to task number 2. Copy this first code from task number 2, paste it here and hit enter. Then again wait for some time. Okay. Once you get this type of interface, then again come back to lab instruction page, click on this check my progress for task number 2. You will get the green tick here and we are done with this lab. If you like this tutorial videos, then simply hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now you can simply end this lab from here.